Hey guys, Bill McDonald. We're going to service the lower unit on this Mercury engine here today. You know, I put the 75W-90 gear oil in there, full synthetic. It's phenomenal for your lower unit. Help the longevity of that lower unit to survive, and you'll probably get a little bit better performance out of it too. Everything is in MMA certified. Don't have to worry about any of the warranty issues. You know, you want to service those lower units every 20 hours, definitely. When it's brand new, you want to change it out, check everything, make sure everything's good, you have no white milky stuff in it. And then from there, every 50 to 100 hours, you definitely want to change that lower unit fluid. You know, there's a lot of heat buildup in there, there's a lot of stuff goes on in there. And occasionally take that prop off in between to make sure you haven't picked up some fishing line or braid in there. That'll actually cut that seal, and if it does that, it'll turn that white milky thing. And when you get that white milky, you always want to take it, get it serviced, get new seals put in it to make sure you continue to get the performance out of it. And I also like to do it at the end of the year. I don't care when I change it. If I change it in August, September, and I'm going to put my boat up in October, November, I'll still change that lower unit just before I store it to make sure that everything's good, ready to go in the springtime, or if you get one of them nice winter days you want to jump out and go. So why not put the very best you can in there to make it run the very best? So Lucas Oil, it works.